Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, how's your day?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, but you are looking very tired.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in my previous class, you remember I'm telling you that in today we are going to discuss some important question, or you can say application-based question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start. So, Fog is written by American poet. His name is Carl August Sandburg. Okay. So, some important questions which might have chance to come in exam, and these are not direct questions. These are insight based, or you can say that analytical question. So, you can note down the question because these are important. So the question is, how does the poet use metaphorical cat to represent fog? How does the poet use metaphorical cat to represent fog? First of all, you write the meaning of metaphor. Okay? Did you know the meaning of metaphor?
No, ma'am.
Okay, metaphor is a phrase or word which is used to represent something, or which is used to represent imaginative word or something. Okay, in this poem, metaphor cat is used to represent fog. Okay, how does fog appears like a cat? So, in the answer first you write the meaning of metaphor. After that you write how does the poet use metaphorical cat to represent fog. Okay, and make sure these are application based question, and the application based question requires answer within 400 words. Okay, not 2 or 3 lines. So clear? Okay, so next question is, describe the similarities between fog and cat. Next is, describe the similarities between fog and cat. Here poet says that how does the cat appears, how does cat departs from a place that no one can be noticed. In the same way, fog also sets thing. Okay, fog does not stay for a long duration of time in one place. So you can write the difference between fog and cat, which is discovered in this poem. Okay. So the next question is, how does the poet make fog like a living creature? So the next question is, how does the poet make fog like a living creature? Because in this poem, we can see the fog has been compared with an animal. The animal is cat. So cat is a living creature. Okay. So you can explain how does, in what ways poet make fog like a living creature. You can explain or elaborate the answer. Okay, in your own words. And the last question is,
the two times.
Yes.
Do not pretend the two times.
How does go? So the next question is, how does the poet employ double imagery of fog and cat? Here the poet used the imagination of a cat and imagination of the cat to represent fog. Okay, so you can write in the way that how the fog is described through the imagination of a cat in the viewpoint of poet. Okay, so these are the questions. This type of question should come in exam. So you can prepare this type of question, and these are your homework. Day after tomorrow, come with the answers of this question. Okay. So thank you, class.